Psalm 133. King James Version. A Song of Degrees of David. Behold, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. It is like the precious ointment upon the head, that ran down upon the beard, even Aaron's beard, that went down to the skirts of his garments. As the dew of Hermon, and as the dew that descended upon the mountains of Zion, for there the Lord commanded the blessing, even life forevermore. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you for watching. Rise up, God's people.